Okay, hi guys. I am on my way to my Pilates class at 11:30, and I had to rush out and not even grab my water because I want to make it on time. So excited, and I'm going to show you guys the studio that I go to. But yeah, we're just going to be going on our way while jamming to some music. Okay guys, so I already finished my class. As you can see, my hair is messy. I'm sweaty. It was such a good class. This time I took it with Kate. I had never taken a class with her, but it was honestly so amazing. And every single time I take a class with any instructor, I just feel so good and so energized. So let's go back home, and because I have to do a couple of things. But yeah. Look who it is, the baby. Aww. Baby Bruno. Looking so cute. Okay, hi guys. I'm gonna be making some egg muffins. I'm actually gonna probably eat one now, but I wanted to make it for tomorrow because I've been getting Starbucks every single morning or not making breakfast. So I really wanted to make that. I saw a recipe on TikTok and I'm like, that's a great idea. The only thing is that when I need to find my muffin pan sheet, I can't find it. So we're gonna have to improvise. I'm just gonna use this. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. And I'm just gonna use the air fryer to do it. So hopefully that will work. I'm just gonna be using some Publix eggs. I'm gonna add some, what is this? Oh, I'm gonna add some parsley. I'm gonna add some tomato, ham. No, actually, I don't think I'm gonna add ham. I'm just gonna add cheese. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put some spices as well. And then once it's done, I'm just gonna cut it up so it can look like little cubes or something. And then I can separate it for in the morning. I can just grab and go. Okay, so everything is already chopped up. Tomatoes, parsley, ham, and cheese. And I'm going to be using salt, red pepper, and black pepper. Okay, I have 6 eggs here, and I'm just gonna be putting a cup of lactated milk because that's all I have right now. And then I'm just gonna be putting in all the seasoning into here. Okay, so I came home from Best Buy and I decided to get headphones because when I'm working out, the AirPods they slip out of my ear. So I wanted to try this out, and this would be perfect when I'm editing. So I'm excited to use this. And then I also got a new Apple Watch because my other one doesn't work because I don't even know why it doesn't work. It just hasn't worked for months. And yeah, so I just got a new one. But yeah, I'm excited for these back to school type of electronics. But yeah. I will be changing the band to a different type of like chain. So I'm just going to be using this one to work out.
I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know